Halloween decorations are boring.
They're just not scary enough.
That's why we developed Halloween Face Smash.
You can ward off those trick-or-treaters for good with a face full of smash.
It works with the pulley system with a solid bar to ensure that the smash accelerates at an exponential rate.
When the door is opened, smash! The trick-or-treaters get a face full of smash.
The smash will hit you at 1,000 miles per hour.
Really? That seems like an awfully fast smash.
Well, of course not. I'm just exaggerating.
Well, how fast does it really smash?
I don't know. I never did the smash math.
Maybe we should do the math.
Let's do it live on camera. So to find out how fast it will hit the trick-or-treaters, we have to find out how fast the smash is moving at 1 feet away from the door.
Well, how do we do that?
Well, we need to find the instantaneous rate of change at that point. To do that, we have to do math. So let's write out what we already know. We know this bar is 5 feet long. We're gonna call this C, and this A, and this B, because we can use the Pythagorean theorem to create a right triangle. So let's write that out. A squared plus B squared equals C squared. And since we know C is 5 feet and it's a constant, let's go ahead and plug it in as, well, it would be 5 squared, but we all know that's 25. So A squared plus B squared equals 25. Let's also plug in that we know, or we are assuming that somebody is going to be opening the door at about 1 feet per second, which makes the rate of change of A, which is dA over dt, that's 1. So, we have that, so let's go ahead and take the derivative of this so that we can find the instantaneous rate of change of B at 1 foot. So, to find the derivative, look at that. Sorry, I didn't actually mark it.
Good.
Okay, we have to find A when B equals 1. So, let's go ahead and do Pythagorean theorem with B as 1. So, we need to find A plus 1 squared, which is 1, so let's get rid of that. A squared plus 1 equals, which we already know, 5 squared is 25. A squared equals 25 minus 1, which equals 24. And to get rid of this squared, we can square root on both sides, making A equal the square root of 24. So, now that we have that, which is in fact A.
That's just A.
It's A. Thanks. Equals square root of 24. And B equals 1. So the triangle will actually look a bit more like this. Now we can go ahead and plug all that we know into this equation. So that's going to be, I don't have enough room.
Let's go to the next line.
Okay.
That equals 0, doesn't it?
Yep. So because this is all one equation, let's go ahead and solve for dV over dt. That's what we're trying to do. So to do that, we have to subtract this. So right now, the equation will look something along exactly like 2 dB over dt equals 224. And then
not negative.
And then we divide by 2 to get rid of that. We can cancel out the 2's and we're left with dB over dt equals the square root of 24, which equals square root, hope you can see this, of 24. It equals 4.899 feet per second. And that is how fast it is traveling at 1 foot.
Wow, 5 feet per second?
That is an awfully fast smash.
That could probably kill a kid.
Maybe we should raise the age restriction on that.
I agree.
No smashing till you're 18. Order now before we raise the age restriction.